comes round, you better run for cover, or he's gonna keep you up all night. He's gonna take you out and get you lit and call your brother. You're in a playtime and a fight. He'll leave you knocked down, sitting crying for your mother. And when you're on the ground...
Hello my friends, and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Right, so when I first started this channel, I wrote out a list of possible dishes that I would do. One of the first dishes that I wrote down was a quarter pounder burger. And I've never got around to doing it until now, so I'm going to do that today with obviously a quarter pound of minced beef. But I'm going to do it slightly different. I'm actually going to do it as a smashed burger. A smashed burger, really, it should be called squash burger, but smashed, I guess, sounds cooler. Anyway, if that interests you, then hop along with me and we'll do some smashing. Okay, so it's very simple. The actual ingredients for the burger itself is literally just meat. There is nothing else put in like you would with the normal burger. It's just a case of we want to make a patty, I think as the Americans call it. Basically just a large meatball. As I say, there's 113 grams of mince here. Now we want to make a ball of this, but we don't. The best thing about this, because we're going to smash it, we're going to squash it, and it's all going to come out, and the bits will break up at the edges. The idea is that smashing these burgers gives it more contact with the pan, so there's more crust, therefore more flavour. That should be fine. You can still see the individual pieces of mince there. It hasn't been really squashed together. And so that, along with one bun, camera can pick it out. We're just going to start off by toasting the insides of this bun. I'm also going to cook some chips to go with it, so we'll do that just before we do the meat. And then we'll put the toppings on the bun and then add the meat afterwards. Right, so first things first, we will put the bun in my cast iron pan and let it toast.
He's a two-time cheater, one-time lover, and a woman stealer.
Right, with the bun toasted, it's now time to add toppings. You can have whatever toppings you like. What I'm going to do is I've made up some of my homemade barbecue sauce. It's very simple, just 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and half a teaspoon of chipotle paste, just to give it that smoky, hot flavour. Just put it on the bottom of the bun. Get some shredded lettuce, put it on. Then a thin slice of red onion. And that's it for now. We will put the burger on the pan now as it's heating up and do some smashing. As you can probably see, this is it's a fairly dry pan. There's no oil in it, just the oil that I used to season the pan. So, looks like it's starting to heat up. I'll put the meat in and smash. Now, like you can see, it's all breaking up around the edges. Don't worry about that, that's what we're wanting, because those bits will get charred. There we go. Like I say, the more the contact, the more the crust, and the more the flavour. So it's already smelling perfect, and it's just literally just meat. There's no seasoning, there's no salt, there's no pepper, there's no There's nothing else added to this meat, and it doesn't need anything. It really, really doesn't need anything. No, I don't know, about sort of a couple of minutes on each side, I think. Not even that. I like mine fairly rare in the middle, if possible. Oh, the aroma is just lovely. Okay. Now, the one thing is it will stick a little bit, so you might have to be careful. Wow, look at that. Now that has a lot more crust than a normal burger, you have to agree. And because of that, there will be an awful lot more flavour, I can assure you.
When you slow down, we can't keep up. And when you come round, leaving us beat up.
Okay, that should be done. It's just over a minute on each side, I think. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. All right, on it goes. Ah, God, it's incredible. On to that. Put the bun, the cheese, topped with a tomato. And look at that. Look at that red tomato. It's so ripe. Fantastic. And then on the other part of the bun, we will put some more of the wonderful burger sauce. Take the top on, and boom. Excellent. Right, my friends, I'm going to cut this in two and eat it, because otherwise I think it could be a bit of a disaster on the camera. Going to, but if you can see this, I'm going to tuck in. Strip it on before. Ah, that taste is fantastic. Honestly, doing the smashed burger is so much nicer than doing any other burger that I've ever made. The flavour that just comes from nothing else, just the meat. Why would you ever put anything else in a beef burger? Honestly, oh. So simple to make, quick to make, and just absolutely super, super tasty. I've got some chips with it as well. Look into those. Give this a go, honestly, give it a go. Better than any other burger you will make, better than any burger you'll ever buy, better than anything by McDonald's, I can tell you. It's the best quarter pounder in my eyes. So anyway, please give it a go. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. So until then, peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.